सावधान, सिद्ध, ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Hello students, good afternoon and welcome back to my class. Okay, in last class I have discussed some types of partner in a partnership business. Okay, so what are the types of partner? Can anyone? Okay, so there are 8 types of partner. Okay, first one is active partner, second one is what? Sleeping or dormant partner, third one is nominal partner, fourth one is partners in profit, fifth one is partners by estoppel or holding out, then next one is secret partner, next one is that is number 7 sub partner, and last one is minor as a partner. Okay, so let's in today's class I am going to update some notes regarding partnership deed and rights and liabilities or duties of a partner. Okay, so give side heading partnership deed. Partnership deed. Okay, give heading partnership deed. Okay, write down. Partnership arises. Partnership arises. A-R-I-S-E-S. Partnership arises out of a contract. Out of a contract among partners. Among partners. Out of a contract among partners. Full stop. Full stop. This contract may be oral, O-R-A-L, oral, may be in oral or O-R or in writing. In writing. Full stop. Okay, then continue. A document containing terms and conditions of the partnership agreement. The partnership agreement is known as partnership deed. Is known as partnership deed. Full stop. Full stop. Okay, then continue. The terms and conditions, comma, rules and regulations, the terms and conditions, comma, rules and regulations, are put, P-U-T, put, are put in writing on a stamp paper, full stop. Okay, on a stamp paper, full stop. Then continue. It also contains C-O-N-T-A-I-N-S, C-O-N-T-A-I-N-S, contains of the partners. Okay, duties and responsibilities of the partners. Okay, so next right heading, contents of partnership deed. Means what? That partnership deed में क्या क्या contents है? Contents of partnership deed. Okay, write down. Contents of partnership deed. Okay, right. First point, that is number 1. Point number 1. There is no side headings, only points, right? Name of the farm. Name of the farm. FIRM. Name of the farm. Second point. Name and address of partners. Name and address of partners. Third point, nature of business, NATURE, nature of business. The partners want to start. Nature of business. The partners want to start. Full stop. Next point, that is point number 4. Place of business. Place of business. Full stop. Place of business. Next point. Point number 5. Capital contribution by each partner. Capital contribution by each partner. Capital contribution by each partner. Okay, next point, that is point number 6. Profit sharing ratio of the partners. Profit sharing ratio of the partners. Next point, rights and duties. Rights and duties. Rights and duties in managing the business. Rights and duties in managing the business. Rights and duties of the partners in managing the business. Okay, next point, maintenance of accounts. Maintenance of accounts. MAINTENANCE. Maintenance of accounts. Next point, maintaining of bank accounts. Maintaining of bank accounts. Next point, rate of interest on capital and drawings. Rate of interest on capital and drawings. Okay, next point, salary or commission. Salary or commission to partners. Salary or commission to partners. Okay, next point, settlement of payment. Settlement of payment on settlement of payment on death or retirement. Okay, complete partnership deed and contents of deed. Okay, so next side heading, rights of a partner. Rights, duty and liabilities of a partner, but you should write first the word rights of a partner. Rights of a partner. Okay, write down rights of a partner. Here is also there is no side points, only you have to write points. Okay. Okay, first point, give heading rights of partner and first point. Every partner has a right. Every partner has a right. Every partner has a right to take part in the. Every partner has a right to take part in the conduct and management of the business. To conduct and management of the business. Full stop. Second point. Okay, right. Second point. Every partner has a right. Every partner has a right. Every partner has a right to be communicated before taking any important decisions. Any important decisions. Next point. Full stop, then next point. Okay, write down next point. The partners have a right. The partners have a right to inspect. INSPECT. To inspect the books of accounts. To inspect the books of accounts. Full stop. Next point. Next point. Every partner will have an equal share in profits. Every partner will have an equal share in profits, unless otherwise mentioned in a partnership deed. Unless otherwise mentioned in a partnership deed. MENTIONED. Mentioned in a partnership deed. Next point. Next point. No new partner can be admitted. No new partner can be admitted. No new partner can be admitted into partnership business. No new partner can be admitted into partnership business without consent of all other partners. Without consent of all other partners. Full stop. Full stop. Next point. Next point. Every partner has a right. Every partner has a right to receive Every partner has a right to receive interest. Every partner has a right to receive interest on 6% interest at the rate 6% per annum. Per annum कैसे लिखोगे आप? P dot A dot per annum. Okay? Every partner has a right to receive interest at the rate 6% per annum on the loan amount given by the partner to the business. Given by the partner to the business. Okay, full stop. जब भी कोई पार्टनर अगर पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस में कुछ लोन प्रोवाइड किया होगा तो उसे इंटरेस्ट कितना मिलेगा? 6%. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एवरी पार्टनर हैज ए राइट. एवरी पार्टनर हैज ए राइट टू बी. Every partner has a right to be indemnified. 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 By the business in respect of expenses incurred or losses suffered for the conduct of the business. SUFFERED. Suffered for the normal conduct of the business. Full stop. Next point, a partner has a right to get the form FIRM, to get the form dissolved, DISSOLVED, dissolved under appropriate circumstances. Okay, rights of a partner is completed. Then give heading, duties and liabilities of a partner. Duties and liabilities of a partner. Okay, write down duties and liabilities of a partner. Okay, first point, every partner should carry on the business to the greatest common advantage. Full stop. Second point, a partner is not entitled to get. A partner is not entitled to get remuneration, 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 remuneration for the conduct of the business, comma, unless otherwise it is specially mentioned in the partnership deed. Unless otherwise it is specially mentioned in the partnership deed. Next point. A partner is bound to give correct and true accounts of the business. A partner is bound to keep and give. Okay, write down. A partner is bound to keep and give correct and true accounts of the business. Next point. A partner cannot carry on a competing business. COMPETING. Competing business. Full stop. Full stop. Next point. A partner is bound to act within the scope of his authority. A partner is bound to act within the scope of his authority. Full stop. Next point. No partner can make a secret profit of the partnership business. No partner can make a secret profit of the partnership business by way of commission, etc. Full stop. Then continue. If he does so, DOES, if he does so, SO, comma, he must return the money to the business. He must return the money to the business. Okay? So, this is your notes regarding partnership deed and contains duties and liabilities of a partner. Okay? These are all topics will be discussed in your next class.